Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today's video I am going to be doing my allure December box from 2018. Oh my god, I have to get these years right because apparently I'm losing it. I do not know what freaking year I'm in, and we're already going into 2019, which is so super crazy. Anyhow, so this is the last box for the year before we go into 2019. Now I know that this box, it's in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, and they usually, I don't know, I feel like they do this every single year for the last month in December. Last December they had a collaboration box with Jaclyn Hill, and I was able to get my hands on that one. And then this one, it's supposed to be the Nikki Tutorial one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump in. As usual, I do not like to cheat on my boxes, so we're gonna open it up together. I did notice that this month though, I got my box really late in the month, so that's why it's barely going up now, but it's better late than never. So let's just go ahead and jump in. This thing is really hard to get into, so here we go. Let's just do this. Okay. All right, so this is what the little box looks like. As usual, it comes in with like a little magazine, like an Allure magazine. And there she is. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Okay, so here is the Nikki Tutorials. Oh my gosh, she's so freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna set this little pamphlet inside. It'll just have like the information that we're getting. So this is the little magazine. So I'll just set that aside. This is what the little box looks like. And ta-da! Okay, let's just go ahead and start pulling. So there's this little blue thing here. Oh, something fell. All right, here we go. So this is a little blue thing here. Oh my god, this is so cute. It looks like a little candy. You guys do not understand how small this is. Like, this is my palm. It's like really small, extra tiny small. So this is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette, and this is a single. So I think these would be good, like very good, like on the go, or like if you're traveling or something like that. This is really cute. Just to even have it in the vanity, just like to clean up your brushes or whatnot. That is so super cute. That was the first thing that was in here. We got this thing here, some kind of paper, Allure beauty box, new look, like maybe more information about the box. Okay, so the next thing that we got are these two holographic foil eye masks. So these are deep puffing and brightening eye mask. Okay, so we got two of these. So oh, the packaging is so cute. I like that. I don't know if I'll use those because I really don't like masks. But the next thing that is in here, oh my god, everything's so stuck. So ooh, I like this. I've tried a sample of this from I don't know where. I think I got it for my Sephora points. I'm not sure if it came in a subscription box, but it was a lot smaller than this. And this is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and this is from Drunk Elephant, and this is really nice. Like, this is a pretty good size. It's bigger than the one that I had, but I know this is not the full size, so this is really good. I love this cream. It actually really works. I really like it. The next thing that we had got was the NYX Lingerie Liply. I don't know the name of this, but I think I have this color already, so I'm just gonna set this aside for maybe my sister or so. This is a really pretty color, and it's from NYX. It's the NYX Lingerie collection that they have. And we also got this item here, and this is the Art Petite Slim eyeliner. I probably said that name wrong, but it's a very nice felt tip eyeliner. Not sure what color. Hopefully it's black. Yes, it is black as black. Very nice. The best for last. So the next two items that we got were these. This one was one of the reasons why I got this box, and this is by Juvia. I don't have any of their makeup, but I know that it is a palette, and like, I think this is such a good deal. I got this box for $10, by the way. So with Allure, I always subscribe and unsubscribe. So for this box, it was like I was like a new member type of thing. So I got this box for $10. So with that being said, I think this box was such an awesome value for it being $10 and all the stuff that we got. I think this is a mini. It's not like a full size or anything like that, but I haven't tried any of Juvia's makeup at all. Oh my god, and this palette is so cute. I mean, it's nothing new. Everybody has seen these colors, but it's really, really cute. So I just wanted to give it a try because I haven't tried this brand at all before. But they are so freaking gorgeous. Like, it has like shimmers, mattes, it looks like it has satins. It's very, very pretty. I actually really like this palette. It's so cute. I'm gonna leave it right here in my vanity so I don't forget to use it because it's really, really small. It'll get lost in there with the rest of the makeup. And the last item was this right here. It also comes in the bubble wrapping to protect it. I love their highlighters from Ofra. I believe it's Ofra. I think it was in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. This is a bomb. This color wheel is so gorgeous. And I think it was called Hollywood or Rodeo. I don't know. I don't remember the name of the highlighter that I had, and it shattered and it broke on me. And it was the most beautiful thing ever. And thank God I got a replacement now, but this is what this looks like. Oh, there you go. You guys can see it. So it has like the bronzy, like the rose gold, and more of like the white shade. So gorgeous. So this is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Highlighter Everglow highlighter. So yeah, this was it. Oh my God, I love this box. This box was bomb. That was it. That was all that we got. I love this. This box was bomb. I am so super impressed. So we got the highlighter, we got the eyeshadow palette, we got the lipstick. I think this is a matte liquid lipstick from NYX. We got an eyeliner. You got a moisturizing cream by Drunk Elephant, and you also got 2 eye gel masks. And what else? And we got the little mini Neutrogena cleansing wipe. So I think this was such a great value. It was a total steal. I love it. I'm sure I'm going to be obsessed with this highlighter. I cannot wait to try it. And I think this is it. This was an awesome box, you guys. Let me know if you guys got this box. Also, if you guys were able to get your hands on it. What do you guys think of Allure? Is it a love and hate relationship just like mine? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And I believe this is it, you guys. I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to leave me some comments, likes, and subscribes at the bottom. Let me know if you're a newbie here in my channel. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.